The biggest lie young people are told when they hit 18, 19, or 20 is this: go to university, work hard, and you're guaranteed a high-paying job. Schools love to push it, and parents still stuck in the old ways double down on it like it's gospel. But let me ask you something. Do you think I'm making over $33K a week by following that outdated blueprint? Hell no! The reality has shifted, and if you're still clinging to the traditional path, you're probably going to miss out. The world has changed, and so should your approach. But don't worry. You don't need a degree, a fancy office, or even to leave your room to build real wealth. Today, I'm sharing 7 passive income ideas that have helped me and could help you start earning big. By the end of this video, you'll see how I turned a few smart moves into over $30K a week, and more importantly, how you can take the first step to do the same. But before we dive in, let's get clear on what passive income really is. It's money you earn without trading your time for it day in and day out. Unlike a regular 9 to 5, where you clock in and get paid for the hours you put in, passive income keeps flowing, even when you're not actively working. It is like planting a tree. You invest time and effort up front, but once it grows, it provides shade, or in this case, money, without constant maintenance. Now, what if you could start earning this kind of income? What if you didn't have to follow the traditional path to build wealth? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Now that we're on the same page, let's jump into those 7 passive income ideas that could transform your life. Idea number 1 is creating faceless video content. Now, you might be thinking, what does that even mean? Don't worry, it'll all make sense in just a second. Basically, there are YouTube channels where you never see the person behind them, yet they rack up millions of views every month and make the owners a ton of money. In fact, my own channel is a great example of this. I personally manage over 12 faceless channels, and they bring in tens of thousands of dollars every month just from ad revenue. Not to mention other ways to make money like affiliate marketing. How hard is it to get started? Honestly, this is one of the easier ideas to set up. The hardest part is the beginning, choosing the right niche and staying consistent. But once the ball starts rolling, it can quickly snowball into a serious income stream. I call it incognito video content because you have no clue who runs these channels. For all you know, it could be a 14-year-old kid working from their parents' basement, making a fortune. And here's the best part, it's not as complicated as it sounds. The process is simple. First, you choose a niche. The best niches are evergreen topics that people are always interested in, like travel, relationships, finance, and fitness. These niches not only have high demand, but also come with better CPMs, how much you earn per 1,000 views. Plus, you can make extra money by promoting affiliate products on your channel. Once you've picked a niche, the next step is to start creating content. This is where most people psych themselves out, thinking they need a fancy setup or a lot of creativity. But trust me, you don't. You just need to search for similar faceless channels in your niche on YouTube. Check out their most popular videos and make a list of 30 video ideas to get started. Don't reinvent the wheel. Study what's already working, then put your own spin on it. Your goal is to create scripts by pulling the best points from those successful videos and adding your own twist to make them even more valuable. If writing scripts feels overwhelming, you can hire a scriptwriter on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Or if you want to save costs, you can use tools like ChatGPT to draft scripts, but always review and add your personal touch for quality. For voiceovers, you have 2 options. Use AI tools like 11 Labs, or simply record them yourself with your phone. Personally, I think starting with your own voice gives your content an authentic feel. But if you're strapped for time or shy, AI can be a lifesaver. When it comes to editing, free tools like OpenShot for Windows or iMovie for Mac are great starting points. If you're ready for more advanced editing, you can explore software like DaVinci Resolve. For visuals, websites like Storyblocks and Pixabay offer free content you can legally use. Thumbnails are another key part of your video's success. Think of thumbnails as your channel's handshake. they're the first impression you make. You can use tools like Snappa, which offers ready-made templates for YouTube thumbnails, banners, and logos. Finally, optimize your videos with tools like vidIQ, which helps with tags, video ideas, and overall performance. Once your channel reaches 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning money from ads. If you're willing to put in consistent effort for a couple of months, this could easily become one of your most lucrative income streams. To give you an idea of the potential, you can make over $50,000 a month from ad revenue alone. What I love most about this idea is the scalability. You're not limited to one channel. Once you crack the code, you can rinse and repeat across multiple niches, just like I did. Okay, this leads us to method number 2, which is running anonymous Instagram accounts. This might sound silly because when you think of Instagram, your mind might jump to influencers traveling the world, posing for photos, and living glamorous lives. But here's the thing, you don't need to be the face of an account to make money on Instagram. Instead, you can run what's called a non-personal account. These are pages focused on specific niches like fitness, pet care, business, or anything else you love. What makes this method great is that it doesn't require you to show your face or even share your name. How hard is it to get started? I'd rate this one as medium difficulty. Growing on Instagram takes time and effort, especially with so much competition. But if you're consistent with your content and smart about engagement, it's absolutely doable. To get started, pick a niche you're passionate about. Then, start posting content around that theme. You don't even need to create all the content yourself. Many popular accounts give permission for their posts to be shared. Just make sure to credit them. Alternatively, you can design your own posts using tools like Snappa or Canva, which has tons of Instagram templates ready to go. If you're the creative type, this part can actually be really fun. Instagram's algorithm rewards consistency, so the real challenge is staying active. If you can commit to posting daily or every other day, you're already ahead of most people who try this. Once you build a following, things get interesting. Companies and other pages will approach you to buy shoutouts. Essentially, paid posts promoting their products or accounts. Think of it like renting out ad space on your page. These can bring in decent money, especially as your follower count grows. Hitting milestones like 10,000 or 100,000 followers can open up even more opportunities, like affiliate partnerships or selling digital products. One effective but costly way to grow quickly is to buy shoutouts for your account from bigger pages. This works well, but only if you're careful about where you spend your money. Always check the engagement rates of the accounts you're buying shoutouts from. Follower numbers mean nothing without real interaction. So, what's the potential? Smaller accounts can easily make a few $100s a month, while larger accounts can rake in thousands. If you combine shoutouts, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products, you're looking at a serious income stream. Also, the best thing is that you can run multiple accounts at once. I've seen people manage 5-10 accounts, all in different niches, turning Instagram into a full-blown business. While this can be an effective strategy, there's another idea that's related to this, but with a slight twist. So, idea number 3 is that you can be a content curator. Instead of being a content creator, someone who makes original content, you can try being a content curator. That means you collect and share what others have already created. It's a slightly different spin, but it can work really well if done right. Many people have gone from 0 to over 100,000 followers in just under 2 years using this method. Now, before you think, 2 years? That's so long. Stop for a second. Building anything worthwhile takes time. Let's put it in perspective. In the UK, becoming a doctor takes 6 years of study, plus about 10 years of training, just to earn a steady income. By comparison, 2 years to build a passive income stream feels like a steal. For me, content curation is one of those methods where patience and consistency really pay off. Sure, it's not a quick cash grab, but it's also not as demanding as creating original content from scratch. If you love scrolling through social media or browsing websites, this could feel less like work. and more like a hobby that earns you money over time. So how hard is it? I'd say it's medium difficulty but requires commitment. The real challenge is staying consistent during the J-curve phase. In the beginning, you're putting in a lot of time and effort without seeing much or any return. That grind can be tricky, but once you hit a certain point, things start to take off. Content businesses like these usually follow what's called a J-curve. That means the initial growth is slow, but when it happens fast. What's the earning potential? Well, it depends on your platform and niche. For example, a curated Instagram page in a popular niche like travel or food can bring in anywhere from $500 to $5,000 a month through ads, affiliate links, and sponsored posts. If you're on a platform like Substack, curating newsletters can earn you thousands in subscription revenue once you build a loyal audience. But let's be real, if you're looking for faster results, this might not be for you. Non-J-curve businesses, like service-based ones, might be a better fit. For instance, if you're a web designer, you can get paid as soon as you land a client. The sales process might take some effort, finding clients, discussing their needs, and pitching your services. But you don't have that long uphill wait to start making money. On the flip side, content curation has an advantage that service-based businesses don't. It scales beautifully. Once your curated page or platform is up and running, the effort to maintain it becomes minimal, and the returns keep coming. If content curation sounds like your thing, remember that while it takes time to build, the rewards can be well worth it if you stay consistent and patient. Number 4. For making passive income as a student is running faceless TikTok accounts. I can already hear you saying, wait, isn't TikTok just about lip syncing and dancing? Well, not anymore. TikTok has grown way past that phase. Now people are building huge followings by creating faceless theme pages. Think of it like the YouTube and Instagram theme pages we discussed earlier, but the content is shorter, vertical, and easier to create. I've personally experimented with this method, and while it takes a little upfront work, the potential to earn is huge. TikTok's algorithm is so unpredictable that one good video can blow up and bring in thousands of views overnight. It's kind of thrilling, to be honest, and it doesn't hurt that it's easier to get started than most other platforms. Running these faceless TikTok accounts takes less effort. The basics of editing videos still apply, but the process is quicker because TikTok videos are short and casual. Once you build a decent following, you can monetize in a few ways. One way is by reaching out to other TikTok creators to repost their content on your page. Another, more profitable route is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing on TikTok works like this. You promote a product and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. To maximize earnings, focus on high commission products, those that offer big payouts per sale. This leads us to method number 5, collaborative commission marketing. It's essentially affiliate marketing, but with products that offer high payouts. Here's how it works. Go to websites like digistore24.com, sign up, and head to the affiliate marketplace. Find a product that fits your niche, and then promote it on every platform you can. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, you name it. YouTube is a game changer for this method because it's a passive traffic goldmine. Once your content is live, it can keep getting views and making you money for years. For example, let's say you sign up on digistore24.com and find a product related to fitness equipment. You create a YouTube video reviewing the product, highlighting its features and benefits, and include your affiliate link in the description. Then, you share the video across Instagram and TikTok, reaching different audiences. As people watch the video and click on your affiliate link to buy the product, you earn a commission. Over time, as the video gains views, you continue to make money passively, turning your content into a long-lasting revenue source. Idea number 6 is to become a thumbnail designer. You can make money by providing value to people who are happy to pay for it, like YouTubers. We understand how important thumbnails are, and if you can create eye-catching ones, YouTubers will gladly pay for your services. This is a flexible, fun way to earn money online, and it can lead to a nice income. I've personally paid thousands of dollars for high-quality thumbnails because I know how much impact they have. It's the first thing people see when scrolling through videos, and a great thumbnail can make all the difference in whether or not they click. So, if you're considering diving into thumbnail design, here's a great strategy. Recreate some of your favorite YouTubers' thumbnails and do a better job. Keep their style and brand in mind, but make yours even more eye-catching. If you nail it, you'll start getting hired. Learning thumbnail design isn't hard, but it does take time and effort to master. And just like any other passive income idea, there's no quick way to make money. You have to offer real value, and building the right skills is the key. Once you've got that down, you'll be on your way to landing clients and earning money for something you can do over and over again. The final idea I want to share is earning money through online writing. You don't need to write the next Harry Potter or Game of Thrones to make a solid income. That level of success is rare, and most writers won't hit it big. Instead, focus on writing what's in demand and publish on platforms where readers are already active. One way to get started is by writing blog posts about a niche you're passionate about or offering copywriting services to businesses. Once you gain experience and build a portfolio, you can increase your rates. The key is offering something unique that stands out from the competition, and there's always a market for high-quality writing. While you may face competition, there's always room for premium services if you offer exceptional value. Writing isn't easy, but it's a valuable skill. In today's world, distractions are everywhere, so being able to focus deeply for long periods is rare but important. Mastering this skill can help you make significant money in a relatively short time. Getting started in writing doesn't require much, just a basic setup, maybe even just a phone. This makes writing an ideal side hustle if you're looking to make money without investing heavily in equipment. What's the earning potential with it? Well, once you get good at writing and selling your work, earning $1,000 a week is totally possible. For instance, freelance writers often start small, but as they build a portfolio and develop their skills, they can raise their rates significantly. Some charge high rates, $500 an hour or more, depending on their skill level and how fast they can work. Some businesses are willing to pay up to $50,000 for a single web page if it significantly boosts their sales. That's not just payment for words, that's payment for results. And that's the secret. Writing isn't just about content, it's about value. The more value you create for clients, the more you can earn. How hard is it? I'd say writing is moderately difficult. It requires creativity, discipline, and the ability to adapt your tone and style to different audiences. But once you master these skills, you're looking at a potentially lucrative and flexible career. In short, writing is one of those side hustles that starts slow but can explode in income once you develop your expertise and learn how to market yourself. It's not just a way to make money, it's a skill that can transform your career and open up opportunities you might not have considered. And that's it. 7 passive income ideas that could totally change the game for you. Good luck, and remember, this is your future you're building. Keep pushing forward, and I'll see you soon.